I suggest everyone who wants to start a new career in software testing field surely can go with the STAD solution for their bright future. Hi, I'm 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐃. I completed my Bachelor of Computer Engineering in 2015. I have 1 year of job experience in manual testing. And because of some issue, I had to leave the job and I have gap in my career. So now I want to start my career in software testing. So I joined the STAD solution, and here I would like to mention some key points that helped me while training. In STAD solution, I learned tools like Java, MySQL, Selenium, Jira, Postman. It is best place to learn software testing. It gives hands-on experience in live testing applications. There are experienced faculty from the industry, really supportive and cooperative faculties. So I suggest everyone who wants to start a new career in software testing field surely can go with the STAD solution for their bright future. Thank you.